In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access iCloud Backup, and we'll cover both creating a backup and restoring from one. This is an essential skill for any iPhone or iPad user because having a backup can save you from losing your important data. So let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to create an iCloud backup. Start by grabbing your iPhone or iPad and head to the Settings app. Once you are in Settings, the first thing you'll want to do is tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. From there, tap on iCloud and then on iCloud Backup. If your iCloud Backup toggle is turned off, just go ahead and switch it on. This setting ensures that your device will automatically back up important data like your app data, device settings, and more whenever it's connected to Wi-Fi, plugged in and locked. Now, to create an immediate backup, just tap on Backup Now. You'll see a loading indicator which shows that your backup is in progress. It might take a few minutes depending on the amount of data you have, so be patient. This process is crucial because it ensures that all your latest data is saved to iCloud, providing you peace of mind in case anything were to happen to your device. Next, let's move on to the restoration process. If you ever need to restore from a backup, the first step is to erase all content on your device. This might sound drastic, but don't worry, we'll restore everything soon. To do this, stay in the Settings app, go to General, then scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, and then select Erase all content and settings. Your device will prompt you to confirm, and once you do, your device will restart as if it were brand new. When your device reboots, you'll find yourself at the setup screen. Here, you'll want to select Restore from iCloud Backup. The next step is to sign into iCloud using your Apple ID credentials. Your device will display a list of all the backups available. Take a moment to choose the most recent backup that contains the data you want to restore. Once you select it, the restoration process will begin. This process can take some time depending on the backup size and your internet connection speed, but once it's complete, your device will have all your apps, settings and data just like before. And there you have it, you've successfully created and restored an iCloud backup. By keeping your data backed up, you ensure that you can easily recover from any mishaps without too much stress. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this helps you keep your data safe and secure.